In our modern world, we're constantly overstimulated by the content we consume, the food we eat, the places we live in, and the fast-paced style of life in general. As a result, your ability, and that of many others, to focus for longer than 1 to 2 minutes is rapidly declining. Fortunately, there's a simple remedy for this brain rot: meditation. Meditation helps you focus for longer, become more aware of your thoughts, and most importantly, achieve a sense of calmness that is so rare in today's world. In today's video, I'll guide you through your first meditation session, which will last 10 minutes. If you make it to the end, it's a sign that your mind is strong and resilient to overstimulation. So without further ado, sit down or lie down in a position that's comfortable but keeps you alert. We'll start the meditation in 1, 2, 3. Now close your eyes and start breathing. Focus on how your breath feels as it enters and leaves your body. Notice how your lungs expand and contract. If your attention drifts away from your breath, that's okay. Simply acknowledge that your mind wandered and gently bring your focus back to your breath. If it's difficult for you to focus, try counting your breaths. Count 1 on the inhale and 2 on the exhale, up to 10, and then repeat. If your attention starts to drift, just guide it back to your breath. Don't feel frustrated. This is part of the process. You're doing really well. Remember, it's natural for your mind to wander. Don't get upset, just gently return to your breathing. You're halfway there. Stay focused, and you'll reach the 10-minute mark. As you meditate, your attention span will naturally start to deplete. It's completely normal to find it hard to stay focused as time goes on. Just bring your attention back to your breath, gently and without frustration. You're almost there, just a few more moments. And there you have it. You've just completed your first meditation practice. Well done. With consistent practice over days, weeks, and months, meditation will help you become more alert, more aware of your thoughts and feelings, more focused, and most importantly, it will calm your mind. And that's the end of this video. Don't forget to come back for another session tomorrow. And if you're interested in improving your life, check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.